Good morning, students. Let me see our chapter 5, that is acids, base and salt. Today we are going to do or see or learn about part 2. That is, what are indicators? The word indicators itself tells that it is going to indicate something. That is why it is called as indicators. So we can say substances which detects the acidic or basic nature of another substance by change in color is called acid base indicator. It means these are the substances which when used in any other substance, it changes the color of that substance, or it changes even itself also, means the substance, like for example here we'll learn about litmus paper, so its color also get changed. So that is why it is called as acid base indicator. It is not advisable, means now we are telling about that why indicators are important or why indicators are used in the laboratory, because we know that everything we can't taste. Correct na? The all substances is not possible to taste, especially in the laboratory. It can be harmful for us. So that is why indicators are used. So hence acid base indicators are used to check if a given substance is acid or base. So here we will see types of indicators. So indicators are of two types, that is natural indicators, synthetic indicators. Natural means we get from nature. So here natural indicators are obtained from naturally occurring substances. That is why they are called natural indicators. For example, turmeric, China rose, these all are the things which we get from the nature, from the plant. And litmus paper. Even litmus paper, something new for you, the word. It is obtained from lichens. Lichens is actually a plant. Its leaves are used to make up a paper that is called as litmus paper. Let's see how indicators work. So we are going to see the test of different indicators.
There are certain substances which on mixing with other substances causes change in their color. Such substances are called indicators. Some of the naturally occurring indicators are turmeric, litmus, China rose petals, also called hibiscus, etc. Let's learn how we can use turmeric as indicator. We need turmeric in the powdered form and water to test the nature of the sample, if it is acidic or basic. Take some water in a beaker, mix tablespoon of turmeric powder in it and produce turmeric paste. Apply this paste on filter paper and dry it. After drying, the turmeric paper turns yellow. Make strips of this paper. Now, we can test if the substance is acidic or basic. If you put a drop of basic solution on the strip, then it turns to red. Now, if you put a drop of acidic solution on the strip, then there will be no change. However, if you use the used red strip for testing, then it turns back yellow again. For bases, yellow turmeric strip turns to red, while for acids, the red turmeric strip turns to yellow. If there is no effect, then the solution is neutral. Here we complete this topic.
Beaker, gas stove, petals of China rose, a clean glass bottle, 3 small glasses, lemon juice, soap solution, and distilled water. Pour some distilled water in a beaker and heat it on the gas stove. Heat till the water becomes warm. Then to this warm water, add petals of China rose. Keep the mixture for some time till water becomes colored. Filter this purple-red water in a bottle with a tea strainer. This purple-red solution is your indicator. Then take small amount of this indicator in 3 small glasses. Pour lemon juice in the first glass. water in the second glass, and soap solution in the third glass. What do you see? You can notice that in glass 1, color changes to dark pink. Lemon juice is acidic in nature, so there is a change in the color of the indicator. You can see that there is no color change in glass 2. Why this is so? This is because water is neutral in nature. The color in third glass changes to green. Thus, we can conclude that the indicator solution obtained from China rose turns bright pink in the presence of an acid and green in the presence of a base. We can put a drop of this indicator solution in the desired food item to know whether it is acidic or basic. What is the taste of water? Is it sour or bitter? It is neither of the both, as water is neither an acid nor a base. The substances that are neither acid nor a base are called neutral solution. Litmus is a natural indicator. It is extracted from lichens. It has a mauve color in distilled water. It is available in the form of a solution or litmus papers. You can test the nature of a solution by litmus paper. Dip a clean stirring rod into the baking powder solution and then touch the wet stirring rod to the red litmus paper. Red litmus paper turns blue, indicating that the baking powder solution is alkaline in nature. Again, dip a clean stirrer into the vinegar solution. Put 1 drop on blue litmus paper. Blue litmus paper becomes red, indicating vinegar is acidic in nature. Let us perform a simple experiment. Take some hydrochloric acid in the beaker. Then add some phenolphthalein to it. Now add sodium hydroxide drop-wise to this solution with continuous stirring. After some time, the pink color slowly appears in the solution. When we add more sodium hydroxide, the pink color becomes brighter. On adding a drop of hydrochloric acid, this solution again becomes colorless. So, phenolphthalein appears pink in alkaline solution and colorless in acidic solution. It is colorless in neutral medium. Let us do an activity to understand.
Let's have a look that what we have learned today, that is what are indicators. So indicators are the substances that indicate acidic and basic nature. Then we have learned about types of indicators. We get indicators in two types, that is natural indicator and synthetic indicators. And then we have also seen in the video that how acids and base we get, means how the test of acid and base is done with the help of natural indicators. So in this we saw how turmeric, litmus paper and hibiscus solution is showing up the test of acid and base. So we saw that turmeric, when added in acid, it doesn't show any change. So acids show no change, and when it is mixed with the base, it changes red. One example more we can say about that, if we get a stain, curry stain in our clothes, so when we are going to wash it, so we see first it changes into red color. Why? Because detergents are basic in nature. And then we saw about litmus paper. So when litmus paper is dipped in any acidic solution, so we saw that litmus paper are actually in two colors. One is a blue strip and one was red strip. So when blue litmus paper, it means when blue litmus paper, that is the blue strip, is dipped in acidic solution, so that blue strip changes into red. And if we dip red strip, so it means there should be no change. And if in the base solution we are going to dip the litmus paper, if we dip red litmus paper, so it will change to blue. And if we put blue litmus paper, so it will not show any change. So we can say acids, blue litmus changes to red, and in the base, red litmus changes to blue. Then we have learned about hibiscus solution, that when the hibiscus petals are kept in water and boiled, you saw the method how they were making up that solution. So when it is boiled, so it is, we get light pink color solution, and that is hibiscus solution. So when it is mixed with acid, so it turns red, pinkish red color it appears, and when it is mixed in base, so it turns green. So these are the natural indicators. And in artificial indicators, we have learned about phenolphthalein. So phenolphthalein is artificial indicator. It is pink in color. So when we mix it in acid, so it becomes colorless. But when we put these drops of phenolphthalein in a base, it shows pink color. The dark pink color comes. So it is phenolphthalein. I think you all got how we can test acids and base. So today we are going to stop or finish the topic here only. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you.